So this place is loaded with deer and obviously also hawks. They have rooting around here all over the place. And I was standing at the end of the road there and I saw the deer feeding on these young pine trees. They are eating the bark, so I thought myself I have to give it a try today, just to see how it tastes. Bah. Tastes very bitter. To be honest, that's not my cup of tea. I came this way. Oh, what happened here? And I heard a lot of ravens. And now I know why. It's probably good to place a camera here.
could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody and stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me.
Looking for change, looking for pain, pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane, pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less, your check is I'm chess, what's happening next, yeah. He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson, he got a new engine from pain, it's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession, all in his possession. You got their attention, I'll leave an impression and take your redemption. Just kill, no discretion, your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression,
You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way.